So I got the 1984 M151a2, otherwise known as a MUTT, Jeep up on the lift here. We'll do an undercarriage video, kind of walk around. And this one's pretty well restored and really well kept in mostly original condition. So you want the cool Jeep to be cruising around in, this is it. And these originally, the 151A was used in the Vietnam War. The 151A2 came out, or I should say the A1 was in the war. The A2 came out about 1970, so towards the tail end. And then ultimately, as I understand it, they ended up migrating to the Humvee after these. But just a cool rig, you know, just kind of taking a look underneath and overall. You know, as you look up at the bumper, it's in excellent condition. I'll do the walk around and kind of talk about the upper side. Looking at the bushings while I'm right here on the front core support under the radiator. Those have been replaced. You got springs over shocks in the front. And the A-arms. You know, the bushings in them look to be in pretty good shape. Upper and lower ball joints. You can see the ball joint here on the upper. It's got cracking around the rubber on the ball joint there. Lower one looks to be still sealed up, but definitely serviceable and still fine. You got axle shafts. You know, it looks dry. Doesn't look like there's leaks coming down from there. I'm sure there's experts out there that know a lot more than I do about these. But you got discs or drums all the way around. You see the wheels are all restored. You got clever mud and snow tires, MTs on here. They're 225, 75, 16s. Lots of tread. See if I can capture a date code on them. Maybe on the rear inside. They do have the raised whites on the inside if you wanted to see. I was just going to look at, so you can see lower ball joint, boots cracking, same with the upper. Getting up into the driver's side front fender well. See a little bit of corrosion on that upper fender, just the undercoating kind of coming off, but I don't see any rust or anything like that on here. Getting up underneath, front drive shaft looks clean, output shaft looks good, oil pan nice and dry, a little bit of drip right here on the plug. That's about it. I don't see signs of a main seal leak or anything like that. And the transfer case seal looks good there. Getting underneath here, cross member, you got a dent right here. I might as well cross over into the passenger side inner fender wells. Kind of same things, a little bit of corrosion up in the flat spot there of the fender, but no rust through. Coming down on the rocker here for the passenger side, so you can see the under edge lip there. And the floorboard, got maybe a plug in there, but the pans, the floors look good. Frame support, cross member. Driver's side here, getting up under the rocker. Yeah, so it looks like these are maybe a floor drain to keep the floors from rusting out, which they've done their job. All in all, floors and the frame underneath look really good. Getting into the rear cross member, looks clean. Come back here, rear output shaft on the transfer case. No visible signs of leaks there. Coming around onto the passenger or driver's side rear fender well. Looks like just a little bit of mud back here, and that's about it. The rear bumper, the jerry can holder, nice, looks good. Hitch, matching spare on this one. Again, I'll get into that on the walk around. Passenger side rear inner fender, looks to be just a little bit of mud in there. Other than that, it's nice and sealed up. A little bit of undercoating peeling off here, but metal's good. Get up underneath the rear end of it. PTO. All the metal up in the bed looks good and clean. The rear diff is nice and dry. Axle shafts, shocks with separate springs, drums in the rear as well. Same on the driver's side here. And it looks like the bed floor up above is in good shape. Some pretty heavy duty support in this one. And you can see, you know, some corrosion on the inner fender wells inside. The floors and everything look really good. Could use a little bit of undercoating on here, but otherwise there's one solid and good looking rig. We'll get it on the ground and do a walk around.